After a year of development, the solution is super simple and extremely fun to use. Say someone is taking too long to pay you. Or for instance, you want to land a good job. You might want to advertise your business and create a Google ad. Or perhaps you need to grab everyone's attention on Facebook. You might just want to get subscribers for free from a top liked comment on YouTube. Or say you've paid a subcontractor up front and they're taking forever to get the job done. Or you need to create an entire blog post, or an entire sales script, or an entire ebook. Allow me to enlighten you immediately how it all began and how I quit smoking. And if I'm not around much longer, you won't be in the dark anymore. This blueprint explains everything more explicitly than absolutely any other ebooks anywhere. So turn off all distractions. And then of course, for the sake of time, you know that there's much, much more to it. You can go on forever, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. See, ManyAds has dozens and dozens and dozens of generator templates for every conceivable situation that you need creative writing help. And get results, land jobs, get sales, land relationships, save money, influence your customers, fans, employees, or distributors. Because ManyAds isn't just a copy generator. It's extremely smart and incredibly artistic and creative. We understand the challenges and the psychology of marketing and the internet and communication. And therefore, if you have a problem that gets in the way of your advertising, ManyAds generators are laid out by every category and searchable and crafted in a way that's going to solve your problems. For instance, it's this easy. Say I want to sell something on Facebook. Whoa, right? Difficult to do without sounding too cringe, getting flagged, and losing your Facebook account. Well, I do a search for Facebook, and ManyAds will give you the Facebook formatted generators. And I select one that I want to use. I create a post in a matter of seconds that will result in a ton of likes, comments, and people will be thanking you for it. Guess what? If you are wanting love, I tried this, and it will open up Pandora's box quickly. All while crushing it online and hanging out with your girl. Now, if you just see what I did here, I selected from multiple choice options. I can still edit things or change the structure, and I could delete things, I could totally customize it. But if you select your own options for every block, the chances that your text or script will be the same as someone else's, they're like 1 in a billion or something, because there are so many options. And that's just one of the generators. Say you want to send out an email to your subscribers promoting a business-to-business product for commissions. We have dozens of different templates. This one right here is pretty clever. Absolutely do not buy this unless you have a yearning to make a year's worth of income, buy a Rolex, fly into space with Richard Branson, and cause your opinionated stepmom to feel jealous at her dead-end job. It's pretty witty indeed. Now, no offense, but we're talking about you going from sounding like a boring, uneducated poster who gets zero attention to the most intelligent copywriter ever with hundreds of likes and comments on your post.